morning and welcome to today's Baylor Bulletin. I'm Race Ruiz.
And I'm Jenna Ellis.
Thomas Woodrow Wilson was an American politician and academic who served as the 28th President of the United States from 1913 to 1921. A member of the Democratic Party, Wilson served as the president of Princeton University and as the governor of New Jersey before winning the 1912 presidential election.
Friendship is the only cement that will ever hold the world together. Woodrow Wilson.
Hollister High School is pleased to announce that we will be hosting the SAT, ACT, and PSAT tests during the month of October. All of these tests will be administered during the school day to Hollister High students that sign up and pay for them. The fee for the test is $15 each. Limited spots are available, so you must sign up and pay at the Student Payment Center between August 22nd through September 6th. Do not miss out on this great opportunity. The SAT test is for current 11th and 12th graders on Wednesday, October 12th. The ACT test is for current 11th and 12th graders on Tuesday, October 18th. The PSAT test is for current 10th and 11th graders on Tuesday, October 25th.
Drama Club meets every Tuesday at lunch in room 223. Join us and discuss this exciting year ahead. Everyone's welcome.
Velocity Dance Team will be having auditions on Tuesday, August 23rd from 4 to 6 at Rancho San Justo Middle School. No experience is needed and everyone is encouraged to audition.
Same squad. Drop top coupe, Dodge Raindrops. Big bag plays on FaceTime.
Powder Puff football applications are out. They're available on the school website and on ASB Instagram Linktree. There are 4 applications. One for players, one for cheerleaders, one for coaches, and the last one is for cheer coaches. We have to limit each team to 30 players, so get yours in as soon as you can.
Last Generation Dance Team is hosting auditions on Wednesday, August 24th, after school from 3:15 to 5:15 in the dance room. No dance experience is needed. Bring comfy clothes, water, and a positive attitude. Join our family and participate in the homecoming parade, BLTs, and other performances throughout the year. If you have any questions, send a message to our Instagram page at lastgen.sphs. Hope to see you there, kings and queens.
Joke break! When does a joke become a dad joke?
When the punchline is a parrot.
A parrot? Oh, a parrot.
First period students, your teachers have been sent a Google form to nominate freshmen for freshman reception. Royalty, all grades can nominate. The winners will be announced this Friday in the quad at lunch.
There will be a meeting on Wednesday, August 24th in room 456 for anyone who would like to wrestle this year. Both boys and girls are needed. Off-season workouts start soon. For more information, go to the meeting.
The pantry will be having a grand reopening this Thursday, August 25th from 1:45 to 2:45. It is located in the portables behind the VAPA building in room 387. The new pantry hours are Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 3 to 4 and Thursdays from 1:45 to 2:45. Please stop by and check it out.
That's it for today's Baylor Bulletin. Thanks for watching.
And remember, go Baylors!
Baylors!